What's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today another unboxing, of course. You see, today we have two boxes here, and as you read from the title, this one is gonna be the Xiaomi Mi 11, and right here actually we have the Xiaomi Mi Watch, the new one. I think it came out like a few months ago, I guess, and it was a special promo here where I live in Italy. If you buy this one for the first, I think, few hours on Amazon, if you buy this one, you will get for free, we can say, this Mi Watch. So I took the promo, and so here now we have the two products. So for now, first we are gonna unbox the Mi Watch, of course, because I think it's the less interesting between the two, and let's see how it is actually. This never works. So this is the box of the watch. The color is this one. I think it's like beige or something like that. And you could get only this color. You couldn't get like the blue one or the other one that I can't remember right now. I got this, and let's see what's inside. So a few paperworks in front of the watch that we don't actually need, of course. And then we have the watch. I think it's pretty cool. I've never seen this one in real life for now. I've just seen some videos. It's also pretty light, actually. It doesn't weigh like anything. It feels like empty inside. The color is good. I didn't think it was that good in real life. But we have also, I think, some cables to charge the watch and the charger itself inside the box. So yes, this is the charger. Some other paperworks. That's a strange way to open a box, but Xiaomi did a good job here. That is the charger. I think it's actually magnetic, so that works with a magnet, like the most of the smartwatch or smart band. We will peel off this one, and we will try to power it on. I don't know how to power on this one. So it says scan to download the new app from Xiaomi, because it's not the same one as the Mi Band, because now I'm actually using a Mi Band 5. You can see it right here, and I'm trying this out also. So I can do maybe a comparison between this one and the band. And also I have an old Samsung Gear S3 that could be interesting to do a comparison between these three. I'm gonna set up this watch later. Actually, we go to unbox the actual phone. I don't know what this paper is, but this is the phone box, and yeah, I don't know what's that. It's useless. And yeah, pretty standard box for Xiaomi. I like this one. I like this color on the 11 number. And let's see inside. So classic paperworks in front of the phone. Let's see, what do we have here? If we have something like useful, so the SIM tray removal, actually, like in every phone. What is this? An adapter to 3.5mm headphone jack, of course, because we don't have the headphone jack right here, and nothing else. So paper, we don't need, and the cover for the phone is actually in transparent plastic, very soft of course, and very like gummy. So I don't know if we will use that, but it's always nice that Chinese phone include always a phone case in the phone box. So this is the phone. We will check that later. And inside the box, of course, we have the charger, unlike most of the smartphones nowadays. And it is, let me check. So it should be like 50 watts charger and pretty powerful. So it should charge the phone pretty quickly. USB-C cable. What do we have here? We have what? We have some headphones. Wow, didn't expect that. I don't know what kind of headphones are this, but me in here have earphones. That's written right here. So didn't know about that. I mean, I didn't expect the headphones at all in this box. So let's check the phone. So here, of course, we have the 108 megapixel camera. So the 120 Hz display with WQHD plus resolution. Of course, the Snapdragon 888 chipset. And yes, 55 watts charger inside the box, and also the possibility to charge this phone via wireless through 50-watt charger. So I think it's the first one with this amount of charging power with wireless power. So yeah. This is the phone. It's actually gray. I didn't took the blue one because I don't like those colors. I prefer like more like black ones, or maybe gray if that's available. So I took this one. I think it's pretty cool actually. So we can see the camera module right here, pretty big. There's some power inside, so we just turn on this phone, and I'm gonna just set up this later with the watch, and we will see how it goes. I think in the next video, maybe just I got this OnePlus right here, so maybe we can do it a little comparison between the two to see which is the better flagship. This one has one here already, but we can see a little bit of confrontation between the two. So subscribe if you haven't already, so you won't miss the video about this phone actually, and maybe if you are interested also the video about this watch. And for now I think this is it, so I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, guys.